Pepe Coin, there is no doubt, made millionaires in 2023. We're going to look at the performance of Pepe Coin during 2023, and more importantly, how's Pepe Coin performing now? And it's always good to zoom out and look at it from a macro perspective. So I'm zoomed out. This is the Pepe chart trading against USDT on the Binance platform on the weekly. Each one of these candles represents 1 week of price action. So where has Pepe Coin been before? We see it was launched on the Binance platform on the 1st of May 2023. It made gains straight away within the same week of up to 122% within the one candle. Price action pulled back dramatically. So any of you Pepe holders that bought here would have got absolutely wrecked. So heart goes out to you guys, but this is the importance of analyzing from a higher time frame, from a higher perspective. What patterns are playing out on the chart? So if you look at this, you can see one pattern here, and this is a strong reversal pattern. It's the head and shoulders, or in this instance, an inverse head and shoulders. So you created the left shoulder here, you've come back, you've created a neckline, you've come back down, so the bears have regained momentum, they put a lower low in, price action's pushed back up, tested the neckline, that's showing that the bulls have regained short-term momentum. Now what we're looking for is a pullback, the creation of the right shoulder, which we don't know how far price is going to pull back to, and then a break of this neckline. And when you do that and analyze that, what you can do is we can stick a simple tool on here, which is a trend line, measure from the tip of the head to the neckline, and then we can stick that on the tip of the neckline to look for where price is likely to move. And look at this, guys. If you see this, what does it coincide with? The previous time price actions had a major reaction at this level. We haven't got much data to go by, so we use the data that we've got in front of us, and that's the pattern that I'm looking for. So Pepe Coin in the short term has got room to pull back. It has got room to create that higher low, and it has got room to try and break that shoulder. Once it's broken that shoulder, that's a high probability move, my friends. So Pepe in the short term, let's have a look. So we've started with the macro. We've seen exactly what Pepe has done for people in 2023. Like I say, it's made millionaires, but it's also lost people and wrecked people. So this is why the charts are important. It helps us analyze when we're right, and it helps us more importantly analyze when we're wrong, because it's not all about making gains. The main thing that you need to do is preserve your capital. Preservation of capital is the key. If you don't preserve your capital, you can't utilize that going forward. So first thing, Pepe, short term. We're in the daily chart now, and we're looking for a breakout of this pullback. There's a couple of things that concerns me. First thing, this wave 3 is shorter than the wave 1. That's showing that the bulls haven't gained as much momentum as I'd have liked in the short term. So that's a tick for the bears, unfortunately, guys. The second thing is we've been analyzing and tracking this pullback. Where do we need price to react? We need price to react at this 618. We got a bit of a 618 reaction, but the bears pushed price just below here. And this trend here was respected. It was respected until this point here, where the bears broke down, bulls come back, and there's a fight of tug of war here with the bears regaining short-term momentum. If they pull price action back down to a lower low, even if it hits the 786 and we get a break, we know one thing, that this is weaker than this, that the trend is weakening. That's the one thing that we need to look out for. So we can monitor and we can analyze how price is going to react at certain levels. And the key level that we need to break at the moment is 0.000147. So price has got to break this neckline, and it's got to break that 382 level that I've just mentioned for any short-term momentum, because that's going to bring us back in trend then. And if we can react, we can look for higher levels. But as far as probabilities are concerned, I'm waiting and monitoring the pullback. I want to see how strong the pullback's going to be. And if the bears win this momentum line, push a new lower low in, then I'm analyzing and looking for shorter levels or cheaper levels, guys. So that's just a quick one from me. Take care of yourself and goodbye.